I have generated thousands of leads for realtors with this simple funnel, and I'm going to share it with you today, as well as all the targeting and how to find people who are interested in buying a home. And I'll show all that to you today. And collectively, with all of the coaching students that I've had since 2017, I would say that we collectively have generated over 100,000, if not more, leads, probably way more than that, definitely undercutting that, since 2017. These leads are so easy to generate with this simple funnel and simple targeting that you're going to kind of be blown away. And so I encourage you that if you've ever wanted a realtor client, or if you are a realtor, running this simple ad on Facebook to get leads of people who are either looking to buy or sell their home. And the biggest and most important thing with this whole process is the automation on the follow-up, because if you are not reaching out to these leads within 1 to 5 minutes, and you could do it through the automation, the leads are going to be dead. And most of them, yes, they are tire kickers, but what do you care if you're not the one that has to constantly call them in your automation? Now, if you already have GoHighLevel, or you are thinking about getting GoHighLevel, or you've never even heard of it, which would shock me, then I will say this, they have a special going on until the end of December, 50% off for 3 months. Link down below to learn more. Plus, I give $5,000 worth of bonuses. I give training. I give weekly Q&A calls 2 times a week. And so you're going to get the best bonuses right here, right now. All right, before I go on, I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas if you celebrate Christmas, and happy holidays if you celebrate other holidays in this time frame. And I'm excited for January, and I sure as heck hope you guys are too. Now, let's just jump right into here, because I don't want to waste anybody's time, especially on December 23rd, when most of the people will probably be doing nothing or already started to do nothing. So let's just jump in here and take a look at the realtor traffic strategy. Okay, we're going to be running Facebook ads, and it's a free homes for sale list, okay, with added home market analysis for home sellers, right? Form submits is what we're measuring a conversion from, and cost per lead is going to be about $5. Average client conversion rate 1 to 5%. The faster you follow up, the higher this rate will go, but it's not going to go much more than 5, 6, 7%. Excuse me, I'm catching something, so I apologize if I sound stuffy. All right, now we're going to call this a home list, because that's what we're giving away for free. Now, you don't have to give a homes list for free. You can give anything you want for free. Buyer tips, buying a house 101, selling a house 101, things like that, right? Any type of free thing that you can give somebody will generate massive amounts of leads. Yes, there will be a lot of tire kickers in there that just want the free thing, but our automation will filter them out. Okay, and so we're going to call the ad set this. We're going to be looking for males 26 to plus. We've done male, female, female only. Male always wins. Desktop and mobile, minimum $5 a day. Locations within the area of where that realtor is. Age and gender, again, male plus female, or just male, or I wouldn't just do female. Male plus female, or just male, okay? Detail targeting, real estate, exclude real estate, B2B industry, realtor, like job titles. Leave default for post engagement, automatic. I mean, basically in this, we could do a little bit of targeting, but ultimately, in the end, let Facebook give them 3-4 days, and they'll start finding people who are interested. Ad name, image, realtor's page, or real estate themed Facebook page. Dark photo post, see ads. I'll show it to you in a second. And then select track all conversions for the pixel. So it looks like this. This one we were running in Oklahoma City. Attention, Oklahoma City, Edmond. Do you know anyone looking to purchase a home? Follow here. We have created a free list of homes for sale in the area priced under $199,000. The homes in these areas are still to this day are, $220,000, $230,000. So you could say $499,000, $599,000. Like where I live, I would run this priced under $899,000, right? So it all depends on where you live. Go check out and find out. Ask the realtor. The realtor's going to know. Okay. Some of these homes even qualify for special financing. So like, for example, a veteran, if you're a veteran, certain ages, again, your realtor will know any special deals that they can give out. Get the list here. Thanks. And then we'll have a tracking number here if people just want to call and don't want to click the ad. A lot of people, you know, with all the political stuff out there, still, they're like, you know what, I don't want to click this, but I'm interested because if I click this, then it's going to keep showing me more stuff, and I don't want to see more stuff. So it's good to put a phone number here. And again, the biggest thing here is you're calling out who your market is. You're putting a little bit of a stringent thing on where it's like, all right, as a realtor, I know that most of my buyers are home price is $499,000. So that's the market I want. So let's put it in the ad. And then the homes, a beautiful picture of a home. You can find them anywhere. It doesn't have to be a home that you're selling or that they're selling. You could just throw up some homes for the eye catch. Okay. And this is what it looks like. Welcome to the Wayne Homes List. Enter your information to get a free list of homes for sale price under X, Y, and Z. Some of these homes even qualify for special financing. And then it's just going to be a survey, okay? You can have a better picture in the background. Typically, if you're running a homes list for homes under $199,000, you don't want to put a mansion there, okay? You don't want to give like false belief of people like, wow, I could get this house for $199,000. You want to make sure that you're matching it. There's beautiful homes for all prices. This is not the real estate investor funnel. This is somebody like me or you that just wants to buy a home. They want to move into X, whatever city it is, and they have a value that they're willing to spend. And it's, especially now, it's tough times when it comes to the interest rates, at least. So realtors really, really, really need help. So it's a great market to be in, get into. Because people still need to have the roof over their head, right? What are the three necessities? You got food, water, and a roof over their head. Those are the three necessities of humankind, okay? So everybody needs a home, a rental, a roof over their head. That's one of the three, okay? And so that's what it would look like. Then in our automations, we're basically going home list follow-up campaign. All right, sending them an email with the home list attached. Okay, next step, and then we'll have a phone number. And then we're just going to keep following up with them until we get some sort of response. We can see all of our responses in the conversations tab. And then we also have a client notification automation here where we're just, if they submit the homes list free home report, they get an internal notification to their team. So then, you know, we're tracking everything in their conversations. And that is the very simple realtor campaign to generate leads for realtors. Okay, let's make that very clear. You're not running this to generate leads for yourself that are realtors. You're generating leads for the realtors using GoHighLevel. And as I mentioned in the beginning, 50% off up until I think the end of this year, which is 8 days away. Link is down below. Again, you get free access to my community, over $5,000 in bonuses, 2 weekly calls every single week where we jump on and we help you. And let's make 2025 your year. Let's either take you from a novice, not knowing anything, or a newbie, not knowing anything in this space, to $5,000, $10,000 a month within the next 12 months. You could do that. If you could do that, I'm assuming that would change your life, and you're going to need support. And we offer all of that. All we ask is that you use our affiliate link when joining. You can either do free for 30 days, or you can take their 50% off the deal that is down below. Click the link that's pinned in the comment. I should say the comment that is pinned will have the link to their deal. And then once that runs out, it'll probably be redirected just to the regular homepage. And just like, subscribe, and comment, and share this video with any of your friends. And I'll send you over another link as well. All right, appreciate you guys. We'll see you. Hopefully I'll get another video up before the end of the year, but I'm going to Canada to go skiing, so maybe I will, maybe I won't. See you on the next one. Enjoy your holidays. Bye-bye.